Hello, class. Mr. Grayhall here again. We're talking about the Political Action Campaign Project. This is slide number 11. So this is part of your strategy planning, and this is the campaign 6-week calendar. So you have 6 week-long phases in your campaign. The first phase is going to be exploration. So that's where you and your team get together and talk about what kind of issue that you're all collectively interested in working on, and then what aspect of that issue do you think is going to be most relevant to your community or to the people you're trying to meet and reach. And then week 2, you're going to be preparing. So this is where you'll do all of the behind the scenes work, starting the creation of a website, creating social media platforms, starting to write your party or not your campaign platform, and really start to enumerate the ideas that you have regarding the issue that you're working on. And then at the end of week 3, after 1 + 2 weeks of preparation, you'll launch your campaign. And this will be where everything goes live. You might have a few things to complete here and there, but for the most part, you want to get your message out there. And so you might do a slow rollout. You might do a media blast. It kind of depends on what your plan is for your campaign. In week 4, you're going to be building momentum, and then finding supporters. So hopefully after the launch, you're going to start getting interaction from the community and from the people you're trying to reach regarding your issue. And so you want to identify those supporters and then engage them in some way. So maybe they want to volunteer. Maybe they can help reach out to other people. Maybe they can make contact with groups that you don't have contact with now and put you in touch with them. You want to expand the reach of your message, and you do that by identifying people who are sympathetic to the things that you're trying to change. And then week 6, this is the final week. So I guess week 5 to week 6, your whole portfolio for the project will be due. So this is when you want to make sure that everything is complete and that you can kind of show from start to finish what the campaign has turned into, right? So you'll be turning things in along the way, but from the beginning to end, what have you accomplished? What have you done? What types of things have you been working on, and how have they been effective? So I want you to prepare a presentation for us at the end so that you can show us exactly, what the work looked like and how effective it was as a campaign. And that is that. So for your activities for each week, you and your campaign members will plan this ahead. So during the exploration phase, you'll start mapping out, what do we want to do for each of these weeks? For your target achievements, what do we want to achieve? What are our goals for each of these weeks? And then you will, as much as you possibly can, try to, through the activities you do each week, meet those target achievements. All right, so any questions about this, contact Rizzo or myself, and let's get to work.